super easy, beginners friendly, and tastes amazing. Try this instant poha made without fermentation. Perfect for busy morning, light, fluffy, and super delicious. For this recipe, you need poha, rava, yogurt, salt, and water. First, soak poha, rava, yogurt, salt, and water together. Mix everything nicely and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. This step softens everything and gives a perfect texture. Meanwhile, let's make quick chutney. Add coconut, red chillies, roasted chana dal, garlic, tamarind, salt, add half a cup of water and blend it into smooth creamy chutney. Now let's blend the soap mixture into a smooth batter. Transfer it to a bowl. Add 1 spoon of ENO and mix it nicely. This is the secret to soft and fluffy dosa without fermentation. Now you can see the batter is ready. So mix it once again and heat a tawa. Pour the batter and spread slightly. This dosa needs to be thick so that it becomes soft. Drizzle some oil. Close the lid and cook in a medium flame. After a minute, flip it and cook on the other side. Soft dosas are ready. Look at this perfectly soft dosas. It's so soft and fluffy and no need to ferment. Serve it hot with chutney and enjoy. If you love this quick recipe, don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Comment below for more breakfast recipe. Thank you.